Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let's start our tutorial. Here we will discuss about decimal, floating and digit. Decimal. A decimal is a number based on the number 10. It can refers to any number that uses the base 10 system. In the programming, especially in Python, decimal can also refer to the decimal class in the decimal module. Here we have some examples of decimal and floating. Decimal number system 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. All digits are from 0 to 9. And floating, a floating point decimal number 3.14, 10.5 and 0.001. And digit, a digit refers to any individual's numeric characters. 0 to 9 is a number or string in Python, and you can check if a string consists of a digit using the isDigit method. So here we have some example A to G. I have written a statement return true if all the characters in the string are decimal. So what is the formula? A dot is decimal parenthesis. When I type here print A dot is decimal parenthesis. When I hit on run code, then it will give us false, false and true, false, false, false. So here we have only one example is true, which is C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside double quotations. So when I open PyCharm, so when I type here C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and when I type here print C dot is decimal, when I hit on run code, then I got the answer true. What is alphanumeric? Alphanumeric refers to string that contains both digits, alphabets and numbers, digits. And alphanumeric strings can include uppercase and lowercase letters, capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, and digits 0 to 9, but not special characters. For example, @, hash, exclamations. So here we have some examples. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 is alphanumeric because it contains both letters A, B, C and digits 1, 2, 3. And similarly, hello 42 is alphanumeric. So here we have some examples. A to G return true if all the characters in the string of alphanumeric. So here so I have typed the formula print A dot is lnum. So it give us true value. The first is give us true value, second is give us true value, and the third and the fourth one is. So let's go. So here I have typed some examples. A equal to welcome, B equal to welcome 1, 2, 3, C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, D equal to welcome in uppercase, E equal to inside double quotation marks blank space, F equal to welcome inside double quotation marks. I have typed here welcome 1, 2, 3, but here we have a blank space. G equal to 3.345. Return true value if all the characters are string or alphanumeric. When I type here print A dot is lnum, so on. First understand it. A equal to welcome. Here we have letters, so it give us true value. And B equal to welcome 1, 2, 3. Here we have letters and digits. It give us true value. C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It give us true value because here we have digits. And D equal to welcome in uppercase, it also give us true value. And E equal to inside double quotation marks we have blank space, it give us false value. F equal to welcome 1, 2, 3. Here we have also blank space, it also give us false value. And G equal to 3.45 inside double quotation marks, it also give us false. So here we have the same example. A to G return true if all the characters in the string are numeric. What is the formula? Print A dot is numeric parenthesis. So let's go to PyCharm. So here I have typed all the examples. A welcome, B welcome 1, 2, 3, C 1, 2, 3 and G 3.345. When I hit on run code, then I got the answer. The first A equal to welcome is false, B is false, C is true, D is false, E is false, F is false and G is false. So the next is check if the string follows the rules of the title. So here we have title. Let's find out. A equal to welcome, so it is not a title. So it will give us false value because the first letter is not capital. So it give us false value. B equal to welcome 1 2 3. The first letter is capital, so it give us true value. C equal to 1 2 3 4 5. It give us false value. D equal to welcome in uppercase, so it also give us false value. And E equal to inside double quotation mark blank space, it give us false value. F equal to welcome 1 2 3, it give us true value because it give us a title. So G equal to 3.345, so it give us false value. So let's start on PyCharm. Equal to welcome, when I will type here print a dot is title, when I will hit on run code, then I got the answer false. And similarly, if I will type here B equal to welcome, type here print B dot is title, when I hit on run code, then I got the answer true. When I will type here F equal to welcome 1 2 3 and type here print F dot is title, when I will hit or run code, then I got the answers true. So here we have the same example, A to G, return true if all the characters in the string are digits. So here we have only one example is true, print C dot is digit, true. Here's we have C equal to 1 2 3 4 5 inside double quotation mark. Let's go to PyCharm. So here I will type here C equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then type here print C dot is digit. When I will hit on run code, then I got the answers true. So here we have. So here I have type print So here I have type return true if all the characters in the string are white spaces. So let's find out. A equal to welcome, we don't have white space. And B equal to welcome 1 2 3, we don't have white spaces. C, we don't have. D, we don't have. E, we have. E equal to inside double quotation marks, we have white space. So what is the formula? We will type here A dot is space parenthesis print A dot is space parenthesis. So let's go to PyCharm. So here I will type here E equal to inside double quotation mark we have white space. When I will type here print E dot is space and then hit on run code. So I got the answer true. So here we will discuss about uppercase. Check if the string is uppercase or not. So here we have the same examples. A, we have uppercase or not? No, we don't have uppercase. So it will give us false value. B equal to we have uppercase? No, it will give us false value. C, we don't have digits. So it will give us false value. D equal to we have uppercase, welcome in uppercase, so it will give us true value. So and all the other options are wrong. We have only one option is correct. D equal to welcome inside double quotation. Let's start in PyCharm. D equal to welcome. So when I will type here print D dot is upper, when I will hit on run code, then I got the answer true because it is in upper format. So let's talk about lowercase. Check if the string is lowercase or not. Let's start from A. A equal to welcome, yes, it is true because all the characters are in lower formats. B is wrong, C is wrong, D is wrong, E is wrong, F is wrong and G is wrong. True. So one option is true, which is, and what is the formula, is lower. A dot is lower. Print A dot is lower parenthesis. So let's open the PyCharm and so A equal to inside double quotation marks welcome and type here print A dot is lower. So when I will hit on run code, then I got the answer true. So